Next up, we're going to look at get all async. It's going to be very similar. Like all of these, we'll start with opening up a new connection. We're just going to use a different Dapper method. So we can see that we're calling query async, and we're passing in the entity type. This is going to give us a collection back of all of the things that match. So because our SQL query doesn't even have a where clause, it's just going to get the ID and value from the entities table. That's then going to get pulled into an IEnumerable, and we're going to list it before going back. You could use toArray if you wanted to as well, but the idea here is that we're going to materialize this collection. When I say materialize, I mean taking something that we can enumerate over and pull it all into memory. I want to call out that this might not be something you want to do depending on your database and the entities that you're working with. So a common theme as you're watching through all of the videos on this playlist as I start putting more and more together is that some of these things will make sense in some context. In other contexts, it will make absolutely no sense to do. If I had a product database with 10 million products in it and someone called get all and then pulled all of that into memory, probably a big no-no. However, if I had some repository and that was going to be a small set of things that I knew was going to be capped at some amount, and I was comfortable pulling that into memory, then I might be totally cool with calling get all async. And in future videos, we'll look at caching as well. The caching concept is going to come up here again. I just wanted to call out that if you're looking at this code and saying, okay, here's a repository pattern, I'm just going to copy and paste all the code I see on the screen, please consider what get all async would do if you're materializing it into a collection. If you just wanted to iterate over the entire thing with an IEnumerable, there are ways to do that, but I just wanted to call it out so you don't go blindly copy and paste.